Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best CNC laser engraver. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Algo Laser DIY Mini 5 Watts Laser Engraver. Specifications: brand name, Algo Laser. Model number, ALG1. Material, metal and plastic. Engraving area, 315 by 300 mm. Motherboard, 32-bit dual-core motherboard. Control software, Laser Garble, free, light burn, paid software, app. Features, support offline control. Certification, CE. Number 4 on our list is Coolook CK155. Specifications: brand name, Coolook. Model, CK155. Software support system, Mac, Windows. Machine material, aluminum profile plus plastic parts. Power supply, 12 volts for ADC. Control board, LTS-ESP32 motherboard, 32-bit. Machine power, 90 watts. Laser electric power, 48 watts. Laser output power, 5.5 watts. Weight, 3 kilograms. Number 3 on our list is Algo Laser Alpha 22 Watts Laser Engraver Cutter. Specifications: brand name, Algo Laser. Real laser power, 22 watts. Engraving speed, 50,000 mm per minute. Engraving area, 400 by 400 mm. Air pump, 30 liters per minute. Spot size, 0.06 by 0.05 mm. Connection, Wi-Fi, 2.4G, TF card, USB. Control software, Lightburn, Laser Garble, mobile app. Laser type, diode. Frame materials, aluminum alloy. Motherboard, Algo Laser V2.1. Input voltage, 100 volts to 240 volts. Weight, 9.8 kilograms. Certification, CE. Number 2 on our list is Algo Laser DIY Kit Powerful with Laser Engraver. Specifications: brand name, Algo Laser. Model number, DIY kit. Motherboard, Algo Laser V2.1. Built-in, 32GB SD card. Optical power, 5 to 5.5 watts. Spot size, 0.04 by 0.09 mm. Engraving area, 400 by 400 mm. Offline connect, Wi-Fi 2.4G, mobile, Windows. Certification, EMC, SAE, Gs. Number 1 on our list is TTS TTS-55 Pro. Specifications: brand name, TTS. Model number, TTS. Engraving range, 300 by 300 mm. Laser wavelength, 445 plus 5 nanometers. Engraving accuracy, 0.1 millimeters. Engraving speed, 30,000 mm per minute. Software support system, Mac, Windows. Machine material, aluminum profile plus plastic parts. Power supply, 12 volts for ADC, 24 volts for ADC. Laser power, 5 watts/10 watt, optional. Input power, 40 watts/80 watt, optional. Certification, CE.